Hey guys, today I'm participating in Momentum Minga, where the community comes out periodically and contribute helping hands to each other's farms. So I'm grateful, I'm blessed that I'm gonna get some guests today. I've been looking forward to putting up a trellis, and today I finally get the help I need to finalize it. I already started it. I cut the post and I poured concrete. However, I didn't have the manpower or the hands to kind of finalize it, secure it, and tighten it in place. So I'm looking forward to my guest today, and I will capture some footage. You know, sometimes when you're working hard, you forget, but I'll make sure to capture some awesome footage. And I'm just grateful. I'm just blessed. The garden is making progress. If I get time, we'll probably get to harvest a few things. And so I'm just filled right now with love, energy, and community. So they say it takes a village, and today the village is showing up for me.
So listen, I'm just getting ready for my guests, and here they go. They've arrived. At this point, I'm just greeting them, and, we're small talking, and I'm giving them a little information about how the day would go. And we kind of took a tour through the yard, and I'm giving them some insight to what my vision was for this trellis area. As you can see, the posts are already in. They've been concreted in for a few weeks now, but I just couldn't get the trellis, which is just some old rebar that I had, old leftover construction materials. And the metal posts are also old construction materials. And so my goal is to grow vertically instead of, growing things stretched out on the ground. So right here, we said a Synery Prayer so that we can be in sync and in alignment. And we're ready to work. We've got our gloves on. The animals are, around and about. And the kiddos are ready to work as well. So what they did was cover up the concrete that was collecting water by putting the dirt back in. And we're here, just getting our game plan, testing everything out. We had to flip the rebar a few times until we figured out which direction would be best. And since these are recycled materials, they're not perfect, right? So we had one side shorter than the other. I did my best with recording this, but the camera was kind of far to capture the entire experience. So this is what it looks like when the community comes together to support each other. Trust me, I could not have done this alone. I had been waiting on this project for several days, and it wasn't until the community showed up for me that I could actually get it done. Right here, we're tying a guide rope so that we know where to drill the holes. It was extremely hot on this day. So if you notice when I come back into frame, I have on a hoodie with long sleeves, and I'm the one drilling the holes. The heat was excruciating. And also we were on a time crunch. My guest had to leave, so we were trying to knock it out. So there were two trellises that we needed to work on. So we decided to do the one in the middle. It's very hard to see, but it was more level. It was a smaller trellis and the material was longer. So we attempted to do that one first. And then that went kind of smoothly. So then we decided to move on to the more complicated trellis. And this was the one that gave us a harder time. While this footage wasn't exactly the greatest, I just wanted to show a glimpse of what it's like when the community comes together to support each other, and what it's like to be a new beginner farmer and to actually ask for help and to get help from the community. I couldn't have done this without them. Here we are at the end. It's kind of janky, but we did it. Stay tuned for updates. Check out the playlist for any of our garden videos. Please like and subscribe. And if you would like to help our farm, please consider making a small donation. The link is in the bio.